Today's fast-paced world is demanding. From our homes to our offices, we are always on and always connected. So more than ever, we need our homes to be a refuge from the chaos. Neatfreak helps you control the chaos and open up space and time for the things that are truly important. Beyond home organization, neatfreak empowers you to create the life you deserve in a world that always demands your attention. From our offices around the world, we track culture, fashion, and design trends and translate them into beautiful and functional products that fit your lifestyle. Our global team of experts is constantly rethinking and improving our products. From prototyping through engineering and manufacturing, neatfreak works with the top talent and latest technology to deliver truly groundbreaking home organizing solutions. We listen closely to our customers' needs and see ourselves as part of their family. Our innovative products ultimately give the consumer a full range of solutions to streamline her every day. Our neat ideas help you control the chaos and bring harmony to everyday life.